Hey guys, so today I'll be reviewing my Koract filter shower head that I use here on a daily. I've had this one for about a month and I can tell you how much of a difference a filtered shower head has. Very sturdy, the chrome is nice. You can also angle this in different directions depending on your preference, giving you a ring-like feel, and its 90 silicone nozzles are anti-clogging, giving you the most water. So this includes a 15-stage replacement filter that is included inside here. I've noticed a huge difference in my hair, less frizzy and dandruff, and my skin is less dry. After using this for about 1 or 2 weeks, it's made my skin a lot softer. So when I turn the water on, as you can see, the water pressure is good water flow and consistent. It's also water efficient. Just remember that the filter has to be replaced every 4 to 6 months to be effective in keeping your skin and hair healthy. So if you're looking for a shower head that's affordable, stylish like this one, I highly recommend it.